But he's in between our computer monitors. Hi. What do you hear?
I'll be right back.
Somebody's in between our computer monitors, babe.
Yep.
And I'm filming it. You can disappear. Go, go. Go, go. Fine, ignore me like you usually do.
Hi. Hi. Up here, Cal. Up here. No. Up here. Up here. Up here. Over here. Look at the camera.
He's like, I don't like the camera.
Over here. Over here.
Hi.
Go, Cal.
Yeah. Cat. Hi. You're standing on my computer. I know it's warm, but could you please get off my computer? I don't want it too warm. And that's what I get. Sniff, sniff. Now he goes between. I got the noisy chair. That right there is fine. He really likes to be level with us. My computer, cat. My computer, cat. He's so cute.